quick, easy, healthy breakfasts. I don't know about you, but I find it hardest to eat healthfully at breakfast time. There's so much to do in the AM that I rarely feel like I have the time to cook. However, with a little planning, I've found I can grab a nutritious breakfast, even when I'm in a rush. Here are some ideas. Pancakes or waffles. Make batches of pancakes or waffles, made with whole wheat, which will stick with you longer than those made with 100% white flour. Wrap in waxed paper and place in a large freezer bag, or put them in individual freezer bags. When it's breakfast time, just reheat in the microwave. Prepare breakfast. Make breakfast burritos ahead of time, wrap in a double layer of heavy-duty foil, and freeze. Reheat in the oven while you shower. Or wrap in a layer of plastic wrap, followed by the foil. To reheat, remove the foil and plastic wrap, wrap in a paper towel, and microwave. Make parfait. Whip up a parfait, or make it ahead of time and place it in a lidded jar in the fridge. It will keep for about 3 days. To make a parfait that's healthy, start with yogurt, add chunks of fresh fruit, and end with a layer of plain oatmeal. Make muffins. Bake a batch of muffins, then wrap in waxed paper and place in a larger freezer bag, or place one muffin each in smaller freezer bags. Reheat in the microwave. In order to give the muffins stick-with-ness, be sure to include plenty of protein in them. Try a recipe with all natural peanut butter, or ham chunks, for example. Also be sure to include whole wheat flour. Make egg muffin sandwiches. Make your own egg muffin sandwiches. Lightly spray a muffin tin with oil, and in each cup, place the contents of 1 egg. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, toast some whole wheat English muffins. On 1/2 of an English muffin, lay a thin slice of cheese. Add 1 cooked egg. Add other toppings or seasonings, if desired. Top with the other half of the English muffin. To freeze for later use, place the finished sandwiches on a baking tray and place in the freezer for 1 hour. Package for the freezer. For best results when reheating, use the oven. 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.